Torrential slide value equivalent to 279.08 rands a coin. The present cost range, 272.39 282.64. A earlier day close, 278.41. The change was plus 0.67, plus 0.24%. Backwards rate, ZAR to AVAX. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost 272 rands, high 291, low 253. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost 271 rands, high 290, low 252. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost 264 rands, high 282, low 246. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost 268 rands, high 287, low 249. And multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost 281 rands, high 301, low 261. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, June 9, cost 286 rands, high 306, low 266. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost 284 rands, high 304, low 264. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, June 13, cost 271 rands, high 290, low 252. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost 273 rands, high 292, low 254. In about 14 days torrential slide figure on Thursday, June 15, cost 281 rands, high 301, low 261. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost 277 rands, high 296, low 258. Torrential slide figure on Monday, June 19, cost 276 rands, high 295, low 257. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost 272 rands, high 291, low 253. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, June 21, cost 266 rands, high 285, low 247. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost 275 rands, high 294, low 256. Torrential slide figure on Friday, June 23, cost 275 rands, high 294, low 256. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost 281 rands, high 301, low 261. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, June 27, cost 281 rands, high 301, low 261. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost 278 rands, high 297, low 259. In about a month torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, June 29, cost 282 rands, high 302, low 262. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, June 30, cost 269 rands, high 288, low 250. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, July 3, cost 274 rands, high 293, low 255. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2023. At the outset cost at 278 rands, excessive cost 306, while low cost 246. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 275. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 269, change for June 3.2%. Torrential slide conjecture for July 2023. At the outset cost at 269 rands, excessive cost 293, while low cost 239. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 265. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 260, change for July 3.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2023. Before all else cost at 260 rands, excessive cost 260, while low cost 215. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 242. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 231, change for August 11.2%. Torrential slide conjecture for September 2023. Before all else cost at 231 rands, excessive cost 245, while low cost 213. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 230. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 229, change for September 0.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at 229 rands. Excessive cost 247, while low cost 215. The found the middle value of cost 231. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 231. Change for October 0.9%. Torrential slide estimate for November 2023. To start with cost at 231 rands. Exorbitant cost 231, while low cost 196. The found the middle value of cost 217. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 211. Change for November 8.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at 211 rands. Exorbitant cost 262, while low cost 211. The found the middle value of cost 232. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 245. Change for December 16.1%. Torrential slide estimate for January 2024. To start with cost at 245 rands. Exorbitant cost 245, while low cost 192. The found the middle value of cost 222. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 206. Change for January 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at 206 rands. Excessive cost 206, while low cost 161. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 187. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 173. Change for February 16.0%. Torrential slide figure for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 173 rands. Excessive cost 210, while low cost 173. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 188. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 196. Change for spring 13.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at 196 rands. Excessive cost 200, while low cost 174. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 189. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 187. Change for April 4.6%. Torrential slide figure for May 2024. Before all else cost at 187 rands. Excessive cost 187, while low cost 146. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 169. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 157. Change for May 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at 157 rands. Excessive cost 195, while low cost 157. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 173. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 182. Change for June 15.9% SAR to AVAX conversion scale equivalent to 0.3583 coins per 100 rand. The present reach 0.3538 minus 0.3671. The earlier days nearby 0.3592. Change for now 0.0009, 0.25%. ZAR to AVAX